Our neon plant is historic in its own right. Restoring historic neon signs, telling American history in neon. 1675, before electricity was ever discovered, French astronomer Jean Picard observed a faint glow inside a mercury barometer tube used to measure atmospheric pressure. 1855, German physicist and glassblower Heinrich Geissler applied electrical current to various gases trapped inside a sealed tube. 1898, a method was discovered to separate neon gas from the atmosphere. 1910, George Claude demonstrates neon in a commercial application. The blaze of crimson light from the tube told its own story, and it was a sight to dwell upon and never forget. Nothing in the world gave a glow such as we had seen. In 1923, Packard owns the first commercial neon sign. For the next 40 years, neon signs became a big part of everyday life. These historic icons of the American Industrial Revolution tell the American story in so many ways and must be preserved like fine art in their natural state, without doctoring the original historic sign. We specialize in bringing these old neon signs back to life, always to museum world-class investor standards considered by experts to be the best collector investments in the world. Each sign we receive is checked for structural integrity to make sure that transformer housing is not compromised by age or possibly been a home for unwanted pests such as rats, birds, and such. If the original can structure can be saved, we reinforce it, then primer and paint, or preserve the original patina to allow it to show its age. If we determine the original can housing is compromised, we build from new steel a new can housing by master blacksmith and hammer, finishing with iron oxides and high heat to advance the natural patina to its original age look. Then we remove all the old electrical system wiring, wire leads, neon stands, old hot running brick transformers, grommets, wire throughs, etc. Then we replace all the electrical components with original mountings and upgrade the transformers using UL certified approved solid state cool running energy efficient high voltage transformers. Then the original signage is highly polished without doctoring its original paint or porcelain or removing its age marks. Signed and certified by H.J. Nick assures each collector sign can be insured as fine art on your homeowner's insurance with very little additional premium cost, if any. This signage will allow your historic, iconic signage to continue increasing in value over time, making it one of the best investments you could make. Our neon plant is historic in its own right, and we only employ master glass blowers that can produce neon in the same hand and materials as the original neon on your vintage sign. Some of the glass blowers may be the original persons that performed this glass art to the original sign, because most of our glass blowers are vintage in their own right, and our younger glass blowers apprenticed under these masters. This assures these iconic signs are in every way as close to originality as possible. This is why we say our restored historic neon signs are the best in the world and are truly investment quality at the highest level.